In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up limit orders in Uphold when you're buying and selling your crypto. So we're going to go ahead and have a demonstration of how to buy and sell using the limit order feature. This is a brand new feature that Uphold added in, and I'm so excited about it. My name is Adam Shelton, so thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Click on the link below to get access to the Uphold and also get some free Bitcoin when you go ahead and sign up and invest into your first or second asset. Now, right here, you go to the anything to anything, and the next thing you want to do is go to limit right over here. Now, I have here set up where if I'm selling one VeChain and if I'm waiting for it to get to 35 cents, because currently it's at 10 cents. So when it gets to 35 cents, I will sell one of my VeChain and that will go right to my account. So that's 35 cents. So I had it already set up there. Now this duration means is that I can set up a date on when I want this to actually end or concur. And so if I said on the 19th, I want this to actually set up to the 19th of this to actually happen. So basically you can set up the date, or you can say until you cancel or to the end of the day, which I really like this because then you have control on when you want to buy and sell your assets. Now, when I click on preview, it's also going to give me a preview exactly what the transaction order was all about. So one VeChain, remember, when it hits 35 cents, I will sell one of my VeChain and it will basically be 35 cents back into my account. So when that hits 35 cents, remember VeChain's at 10 cents. So I'm setting up an order of saying, okay, I'm going to sell one VeChain. When it hits 35 cents, it's going to give me 35 cents because it's one VeChain is 35 cents. Now, if I'm trying to sell, if I'm trying to buy it when it hits a certain price. So the VeChain, I have it set up here. So if I say 35 cents, when it gets to 35 cents, I'm actually going to purchase two VeChain out of my account. And I always can change this if I wanted to. I can add another bank or even add a credit card or debit card as well. So very simple. So when it hits 35 cents, I'm going to purchase two VeChain. That will be 70 cents in from my account. I click on preview. It'll say continue all this. When it hits there, it's giving me some regulations of what's happening. This order will likely be executed soon after you confirm. But what I could do is do this. I can set up a duration once again, good until I cancel, or good till the date is set. So very simple, really easy. In fact, I can just go preview, continue, and then I can confirm the limit order until I actually cancel. If I confirm this, the limit order is actually getting executed, and your account does not get done. So basically, I have to really kind of set that up. So that was just a test account. I guess the test account is not really set up that correctly. So it's really simple and really easy to go ahead and do. So let me go back to it one more time. Let me go. If I wanted 35 cents, and I want to sell the VeChain. This is a test account, so it probably just didn't allow me to do it. And two VeChain, when it hits 35 cents, this is what is going to happen here. And till I cancel, I'll preview it, and the target price you're choosing has already been reached. So I can also say 50 cents. So that'd be $1. It's pretty cool. There, 50 cents. Preview. Once again, continue with limited order. I can do that as well. So it's really cool. So basically, when this has happened, I can sell it when it hits to a certain price. When VeChain hits 35 cents, I'm selling one of my VeChain. And then I can also do it when I purchase, when I buy it, when it hits 50 cents, I can set a limit order. It'll be $1 out of my account, purchase two VeChains as well. And I just set duration until I cancel. Also can do it end of day if I want to. I can preview it. I can press continue and then go from there as well. So very simple, really easy. The limit order is something I really like. It's something brand new that they have. So then now you have more control over your assets. Once again, I'll do it again. When it hits 35 cents, it'll take one VeChain out. So it would actually sell one VeChain out of my account. There's 77 there in this test account. It will go right there to 35 cents. So it'll go right to my account. So when it hits 35 cents, one will be sold. And then on here, once the buy price hits 50 cents, it would take $1 from my USD, and it would actually, and I will have 2 VeChain in my account. So that's how you set up your limit order. Very simple, very easy. I use VeChain as an example. How to set up limit orders in Uphold. Very simple and very easy. Click on the link below to get started with Uphold if you don't already. I love Uphold. It's really simple, really easy. All your stuff is in one place. Your total balance, all your assets that you basically have, your watch list, and of course anything you can transact, repeat an order, and of course the limit order as well. I'll see you on the next video, on another Uphold video of how you can buy and sell your crypto using the Uphold account. You also can download the Uphold mobile device app. In your Play Store, just type in Uphold, or in your App Store, just type in Uphold, download the app, and you can do all these things. Very simple, very easy of setting up limit orders, buying and sell. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for liking this video, and subscribe to this channel as well, and I'll see you on the next video.